Good morning, class. Today, we will be discussing one of the most influential figures in Italian literature, Dante Alighieri. Dante is considered one of the greatest poets of all time and is famous for his epic poem, The Divine Comedy. Born in Florence in 1265, Dante was a poet, philosopher, and political thinker. He lived during a time of political upheaval and conflict in Italy, and his works reflect his deep concern for the state of society and the human condition. Dante was heavily influenced by the works of Aristotle, Plato, and St. Thomas Aquinas, and his writing reflects a deep understanding of these philosophers' ideas. His masterpiece, The Divine Comedy, is a work of immense complexity and depth, weaving together elements of philosophy, theology, and literature. At its core, The Divine Comedy is a journey of self-discovery, in which Dante the poet becomes the protagonist, guided by the spirit of the ancient Roman poet Virgil through the 9 circles of hell, purgatory, and ultimately, paradise. Along the way, Dante encounters a wide array of characters, both historical and fictional, who represent different aspects of human nature and society. One of the key philosophical themes of the Divine Comedy is the concept of free will. Dante believed that individuals had the power to choose their own path in life, and that their actions would ultimately determine their fate. This idea is central to the structure of the poem, as Dante encounters sinners who are being punished for their actions in life. Another important theme in Dante's work is the idea of the human soul. He believed that the soul was the essence of a person and that it was eternal. In the Divine Comedy, Dante explores the nature of the soul, as well as its relationship to the body and the divine. Dante's ideas on politics were also highly influential. He believed that the state should be based on justice and that rulers had a responsibility to ensure the well-being of their subjects. Dante was a fierce critic of the corruption and abuses of power he saw in his own time, and his writing reflects his deep concern for the state of society. In conclusion, Dante Alighieri was a remarkable figure in Italian literature and philosophy. His works continue to inspire and challenge us today, as we grapple with some of the same issues he confronted in his own time. Through his poetry, Dante invites us to explore the deepest aspects of the human experience, and to reflect on our own place in the world. Thank you.